What's up, beautiful people? I'm your friend Chef Sushil. Today we are going to prepare egg. Egg is basically prefer in the breakfast time. Not only breakfast time, it will prefer in each and every meals. So basically Indians also prefer eggs, even foreign people also prefer eggs. So today we are going to prepare cheese omelette. So I will show you the cheese omelette ingredients, what will be the ingredients required for the cheese omelette, and along with this the accompaniment I'm going to give chicken sausages. So for cheese omelette we required cheese, then salt and pepper and eggs, and this is the sausages. In this I'm going to add some little salt and a little pepper, and I'm going to beat. So you need to take care of the beating as well. You need to beat properly so salt and pepper will combine with the egg properly. So our pan is got heated, so what we will do it, we will pour the beaten egg in it, and we will just mix it properly. Whenever you are going to prepare the omelette, you need to see the egg should be not well done, it should be half done. So we are going to put the cheese in it, then I will fold it. So now you can see how our omelette shape is come out. It is moon shape, and the color should be light yellow. So friends, what we will do, we will take this omelette into the plate, and we will toss sausages, and we will serve sausages along with the omelette. So for sausages, I heat the pan, and now I am going to add sausages in it. And I am going to stir fry the sausages. So you can see how the color is changing. It's coming golden brown. So you need to stir fry a little more, and then we will serve with omelette. So friends, you can see how the color is changed. So now what we are going to do, we are going to serve this with omelette. So now I am going to show you how to grill the tomatoes. Because basically with the eggs, I told you hash brown potato and grilled tomato is preferred. So we are going to do the grilled tomato. So I'm going to put the tomato. I did a 1/4. So if you require, you can do it 1/2 as well. So I'm going to pour some salt on it and some pepper. Our grilled tomato is ready, so we are going to serve with our omelette. So our cheese omelette with grilled tomato and sausages are ready. So I am going to put some coriander leaves on top of it, only for the color contrast. So you can see how it is looking beautiful. So what we need to do, now we need to eat. So friends, how was the recipe? Liked it, na? So what you need to do? Like, share and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram. Link I already mentioned in description. Thank you.